learned about Refuge on Bear Independent channel. Been listening to Bear for several years. He's a brother in the Lord, and he's got a lot of good things to say, especially around emergency preparedness and being ready. And his company, Refuge Medical, makes individual first aid kits. Just driving around on a daily basis in this dangerous and chaotic world that we're in, thought it might be time to get a BearFAK that I might be able to carry around. So let's go ahead and open it up. I will say I'm very impressed by the customer service so far with Refuge Medical. They didn't have this particular color, BearFAK, at first. Then they notified me when they got it, and once I ordered it, they actually communicated with me the day it shipped. They contacted me directly, and it was a live person, so I was super impressed by that. And you know, I don't expect anything less. So we got Refuge Medical training. Thank you for your purchase. Our mission is to save lives while in service to the Father's kingdom and experience the abundance of His provision and His blessing. All right, so here is my new Refuge Medical BearFAK, and it is in safety red, which is the color I wanted. Hopefully I got a sticker. Yep, got my Refuge Medical sticker, so I'm stoked about that. Put that on my tool chest. So why don't we break this thing open and see what's inside. I'll be honest, I'm trusting the folks at Refuge to ensure that I have everything that they feel that I need inside this. I know what I really like about this is it's a small company, and everything is made in the USA, and I can tell just by the quality of it that it is made in the USA. Certainly doesn't smell like it's made in China. So this is our BearFAK. Of course, obviously we have Velcro out here. Nice tag. Be able to strap it to my gear. Now, as I understand it, you open this and then you pull the whole medical kit out so that this stays attached to your gear, and then this is your actual medical kit. Kind of like that, because what if I have this attached to my gear? I'm not going to be able to pull it out. So very cool idea. And here we have the actual first aid kit. Again, doesn't smell like it's made in China. So pull this out, pull this open. Need for that. So we have trauma dressing, North American Rescue, another good quality company. Yeah, the tourniquet. We have gloves, because I think what Bear says is if it's wet and not yours, don't touch it, which is good advice. I like these Cat 5 tourniquets. I have a few more of these in this orange color. You know, in the Marine Corps, we obviously, when I was in, we're taught to use our belts as tourniquets, but these clearly are bright and they're the new way to go, and hopefully I never need to use it. We got tape. And what we got in this pocket here? We've got some Refuge Medical shears, burn shield, abdominal pad ×2, nasopharyngeal airway with some lube to get it up in there. halo vent, wound dressing, okay, so that's in the top pocket. And in the bottom pocket we have a trauma pack. Looks like that trauma pack has a number of items: bandages, gauze, slings. I'm not going to pull it all out. Looks like it even has a safety blanket, emergency blanket. So there you go. You know, I wanted a additional first aid kit. I have first aid kits. I've created my own, but I wanted an additional first aid kit. I like the work that they're doing over there at Refuge. I also like the work they're doing at Grindstone Ministries, Caleb House. I like Bear and PJ and all those guys and their fellow brothers in Christ. These first aid kits are a little more expensive. I think this one was about 250 bucks. But made in America, quality gear. Check it out on refugemedical.com and go get yourself one as well. You can never have enough first aid kits around. So that's all I got for tonight. Delta Tango out.